Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by forcing Windows into its recovery environment so you can act. This avoids guessing. Disconnect peripherals, then perform 3 interrupted boots or hold Shift and choose Restart to load WinRe. Once in WinRe, select Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. This is where you'll access Startup Repair, Command Prompt, and System Restore. Make sure your recovery USB is at hand. If automatic repair runs, let it complete a pass so you know whether to escalate to manual fixes. Once you're in Advanced Options, run Startup Repair first because it automates common boot fixes. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands /fixember, /fixboot, /scanos, then /rebuild to fix boot records. After repairing BCD, run sfc/scano to repair system files, and then dism restore health to fetch clean component store data. These commands resolve corruption that causes loops. Make sure to reboot between major steps so Windows attempts a normal start and you can observe changes. If repairs didn't work, use System Restore from WinRe to go back to a stable snapshot. This is fast and non-invasive. Once done, test booting. If the loop persists, choose Reset this PC and select Keep My Files to refresh Windows without losing data, or perform a clean install from your USB as a last resort. Finally, if you reach desktop, boot safe mode to remove a recently installed driver or update, because incompatible drivers often cause boot loops and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.